welcome to today's slightly different video showing you how to delete your Instagram app. Why have I made this video today? Well, I know it's a bit different, but it's been requested quite a lot on the channel recently, so I thought I'd make this video showing you how to do it. Now, surprisingly, Instagram made this quite difficult to do, so I thought I'd try and make it as easy as possible for you to follow so that you can actually delete the app if you want to do so. Now, it's worth me pointing out, this is not the way to do it if you want to deactivate your account and then come back to it at a later date, so don't do that if you're following today's video. Let's jump in and get started. The first thing you want to do is open your Instagram app. Then click on the profile button to open up the profile of your Instagram page. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top, and then this will open a tab on the right hand side. You want to go to settings and click here, and then this is going to enable you to click help and then to go to help center. When you've clicked on help center, it's going to give you a few options. You want to click managing your account, and then you want to go over to delete your account. You would think the process would stop here, but Instagram make it a bit more difficult. Now click on how do I delete my account. This part of the process is very important. You can't delete your account from within the Instagram app. So the way to do it is to make sure you're logged into Instagram on the web. And to do that, you can go to the delete your account page here, and it will give you the option to log in via your browser. Now, I've already done this, so the next page you're going to see is what happens when you're logged in on your browser. Right, this is the final step, delete your account. So what you have to do now is give Instagram a reason, because they want to know a reason why you're leaving. And when you've done that, you've got to type in the password of the account that you're about to delete. Okay, the final step, the big red button. Click permanently delete my accounts, and then that's it, you are deleted from Instagram. Okay guys, I hope you found this video very helpful and useful. If you have, give it a like. If you've got any questions, put them below in the comment section. And whatever you do for the rest of the day, make sure it's a good one, and I'll see you